Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Progress. My name is Corey, and today I am going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. I'm coming from a TicWatch Pro that I've had for 2 years that I have been totally unhappy with. And I've been looking for a new smartwatch. I've always wanted to try the Samsung Galaxy Watch. The only thing is I don't have a Samsung phone. It doesn't run Android Wear OS, so the compatibility between that and my Pixel 2 XL, I don't know how it would have turned out. So that's why I opted originally for the TicWatch in the first place. But now I upgraded to the Galaxy S20 Plus from Samsung, and so I thought, in the spirit of sticking with the Samsung ecosystem, I will give the Galaxy Watch 3 a try and see how it is. So let's take a look here. Cut into it. Open it up. All right. Here we go. All right. All right, so there it is. Comes laying flat like that. So inside the box we have this package here. Let's see what comes inside here. All right. Now this thing wasn't kept a very good secret by Samsung. Many people knew exactly all the features of this months before it came out, or at least there was a lot of leaks and rumors, and that's why I wasn't too worried about buying it on day one, because it looked like it was going to be pretty good. So it comes with a little charging cable with a little wireless charging pad here. Fits the watch. Now, because I bought it from Samsung on release day, I think this goes until the beginning of September, but you get a free wireless duo charging pad with it as well. So basically you can charge your watch and your phone, or your watch and your Galaxy Buds at the same time. First of all, let's take a look here and see this watch. Okay, so it's actually pretty heavy. I'd say it's probably heavier than my TicWatch, but I don't know for sure. So we got Samsung Galaxy Watch, made in Vietnam by Samsung, GPS, 5 atmospheres of water resistance, Gorilla Glass DX, and a 45mm stainless steel case. Premium leather wristband, and what's that? 22, so that means 22mm watch band, I guess. So you can easily change it out with whatever watch band you want. But anyway, it actually is a pretty nice looking watch. So let's throw this on here and see how it fits. I'm not gonna lie, the wristband feels kind of cheap. It says premium leather on it. I don't know if cheap's the right word. It's rigid. I may end up opting to get a new band, but I think that's kind of the point, is you get whatever band you actually want to get for it. Power it on here. All right, Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Very comfortable. It is comfortable, I'll give it that. On my wrist, doesn't really look too big. If you have a small wrist, or you don't like a large watch, you may want to opt for the smaller size. This one is the 45mm. I think it also comes in a 42mm. I could be mistaken on that, but I'm not sure. Okay, so Galaxy Watch 3. Let's go. Swipe up. Okay, swipe up. Get started in the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. So Galaxy Watch 3, a new device has been detected. Add now. So it automatically knew that it was there. Okay, so yep, got a check mark on the watch. So setting up your phone, it's very similar to when I set up the Galaxy Buds Live in the Galaxy Wearable app. So Samsung actually has a really good ecosystem here. If you're using Samsung wearables with a Samsung phone, they have a lot of extra options and very easy to set up. So I'll give it to Samsung on that one. They have a good ecosystem they're starting here. Check your phone to, okay, so the watch is paired. Congrats on your new Galaxy Watch 3. So restore your watch from backups. We have never had a Galaxy Watch before, so that's not going to work. So it says here to take a look around. Okay, so turn the bezel. Okay, twist the bezel clockwise. Okay, daily activity. turn it the other way to go back to the watch face. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Press the home key to find your apps. Okay, so almost done. Swipe down on the panel to get into your settings, so that's almost identical to Wear OS. Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. Yep, that worked. Cool. Daily activity. Looks like frequently used apps. Okay, there's fitness, running, cycling, swimming. Weather, tap to allow permissions, sure. Okay, so upcoming calendar dates. Looks like media control, Spotify control. I don't use Spotify, I use Google or YouTube Music, so we'll see how that works out. Sleep tracking. I want to see how this works because the TicWatch wasn't the greatest sleep tracker. And then you can add your own widget. You can change your watch faces. So it's measuring my heart rate. Higher than average resting heart rate. Resting heart rate should be between 61 and 76 beats per minute. I'm at 81, that's usually around normal for me. So it's actually, I think it's pretty accurate. So it's a really nice watch. It looks good, it's stylish, it feels good. It feels way nicer than my TicWatch. My TicWatch actually ended up breaking and they wouldn't do anything about it. So hopefully this one is a little bit more durable than it was. And I'll get into some other features in a full review video, hopefully in a few weeks. For now, let's just take a quick look at this charging pad that it comes with. So this is cool. So it's got a charger, USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable. It is a QI charger. There's the charging pad that it comes with. It's got a little air cooler here, so I'm sure it's got a fan in it. I'll pull that off. That's kind of cool. Don't know if this pops up at all. Doesn't seem like it, but it'll be nice because I can now charge my phone as well as my watch, or my phone as well as my Galaxy Buds, or my phone as well as my watch as well as my Galaxy Buds at the same time on my nightstand, so everything's nice and charged for the morning. Anyway, so that's it for the Galaxy Watch 3 unboxing and first impressions. We'll get into more detail in another video. So anyway, thank you very much for tuning into Tech Progress. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them in the description below. And if you want to see more great tech videos in the future, please get subscribed and enable notifications for so you get notified when a new video comes out. And as always, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.